Oh yeah. Back at it. Oh, say I never done down in the tree state hamburger. Tree state hamburger.
Alright, 15. Don't be putting that next to it like you're trying to fight on it.
I'm trying to swap it out.
I know.
I need hot sauce for this. I'm getting it in.
Right here.
I'm gonna get these wings out. Give me that.
What? You got a whole thing and get the wings out? Right back?
He's not doing the wings, honey.
Neither are you.
You said not to. You literally just said not to. Literally, you said don't.
Come on, get out of my way.
I'm so confused. They're all over.
Alright, what about these 4 tacos that are clearly on this ticket as 4 tacos?
Oh, that one? That is too honest. Damn. Yo, do that.
Oh, you see, I'm doing shit over here, right?
Why would you put it on the taco?
What'd you literally put this here, put the sauce here.
That's where it goes.
No, it don't go there. Oh, that's where it
You
goes.
didn't even know where it goes.
Yeah. You're sorry.
I ain't do the 10.
I did. No, you did the 3 that were in there.
I did the 2
They
big
all
ones.
came out
I
small.
did the 2 big ones and the small ones. The other ones were a sandwich.
They all came out small. They were for a sandwich.
One sandwich. And then it was, it was 1 sandwich and 1 tender. You did the double tender. Don't even be bullshitting up in here. Don't be bullshitting up in here. Don't be bullshitting up in here, Jerry. Hit that number 12.